Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so sorry, my voice is gone and I thought it would be healed by today, but it did not. It is related to the birthday party I had this weekend, which was a lot of fun, to be honest. In today's video, we're gonna be learning how to make a DIY lip stain without glue, and this is a lip stain hack that I've been seeing everywhere. I wanted to see if it's gonna work on my brown lips. Most of the people I've seen doing this hack, they have no brown lips, so I'm gonna be testing that, and if it works for me, it's gonna work for you. If you want to learn how to make this lip stain hack, keep on watching. For this DIY lip stain without glue, first one is a gelatin, and it has to be unflavored and has to be gelatin, and for that we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of gelatin, and then the second ingredient, we need food coloring. For that we're gonna add as much as we can. At least for brown lips, we're gonna need a lot coloring. Third ingredient, we're gonna need half of a tablespoon of water because we need to make the gelatin a little bit soft. You're gonna mix everything together. Use a Q-tip for that or a spoon if you want. Once you mix everything well, put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. This is excited, and this is how it looks. Once you put it 10 seconds in the microwave, it just melts and it gives you this kind of like pasty thing. It looks like a lipstick. Go ahead and apply all over your lips like I'm doing right now. So apply as much as you can, and you cannot talk. This is crazy. Let it dry completely, which is going to be like between 10 to 15 minutes. You can test if it's dry and ready by doing this. I was hoping that would work. Peel it off like I'm gonna show you right now. Here are my results. It is not like that super crazy red color, but this lip stain, for being a DIY, I like the results. I wanted something natural like always. Doing this on someone that doesn't have pigmented lips is going to leave you super red lips. For someone like me that has brown lips, it is a good lip stain hack. I hope you guys like it, enjoy it. If you want to become part of this organic family or natural family, just subscribe in the red button, and if you want to get notified, just hit the bell notification, and I'll see you on Friday. Pura Vida.